30 here.
I know.
I changed to 1 second. You could configure it how fast you want. I put it 1 second.
Huh?
Yeah, also, the beast inside? What the fuck does that mean?
Did that show up for you on your screen?
Yeah, it's on the left, bottom left.
No?
I should say event to the beast inside.
Oh, I see it. It probably means that they...
Yeah. Oh! Oh. Blaster.
Oh. Oh.
Blaster, John. Put him out of misery. Oh, nutcracker. Alright, you know what? I had enough of that. Hey, hopefully. Wait, the rumbling. Okay, so now let's see how long we can actually survive.
Now we're trying.
Yeah, now it's serious. Oh, time to get high as hell.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, you...
Am I happy now? Yeah, I'm high as a kite. Oh god, I cannot see where I'm going. Where's the entrance? Oh Jesus. Oh god.
Even more going inside now. I got my phone.
Oh god. This entrance. I found the entrance.
Oh god. Oh, what the hell?
I can't use my...
How did I get this? Oh Jesus, there's a mine right there. Holy fuck.
I can't use my headphones and I'm drunk. Somehow.
Oh, well, you know what that means. I don't think it's that simple. We're gonna find out, I mean, once we get inside. We're going fire escape?
Oh yeah.
Alright, let me join you. Yeah, that's what, okay, I went to fire escape thinking you went to the entrance. What? What? Huh? What? How? Tea kettle? Yeah, I'm not going that way.
So far I haven't noticed the difference between every other Hellway hotel.
Alright, good news, we're not dead.
I was about to shoot you, because I was so confused how you got down the stairs. I was so confused how you got down here so fast.
Yeah, I tried. It doesn't work, unfortunately. Oh.
It's to the
You almost
left.
died.
When you go through, you go to the left and left again.
Okay. Or we could just grab the items that are right in front of us and, you know, return with those. That's already a quota right there, you know? Alright. Okay, alright. You know what? I'm dead. Alright, I can change the air horn sound effect to low. Yeah, so that's a little strange. That's not supposed to be here.
Oh, a lot of them.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of bugs on Laundry ahead, and well, we don't have shovels, so
The shotgun's good enough. We just have to be accurate.
yeah. Totally. This is this is totally not gonna go wrong anywhere anytime soon.
You know what? We should have done flashlights.
In hindsight, yeah, or a shovel. You know, that would have been. Oh, what the fuck! Open the door.
I saw something right behind you.
Oh god, Shrek.
Is that fog?
Hey, you're gonna shoot down the. You're gonna shoot down the hallway. I'm gonna knock in front of you. that lesson the hard way.
Alright, no.
I think you're gone. You popped a fight there, John.
My bad. I'm good.
Oh Jesus Christ, you're gonna experiment. Oh Jesus, oh God, no. I think, oh God. I think he's dead, John.
Are you sure?
John, I think you got him, John. Alright, I don't know what you're fighting. Ooh, yippee.
Yippee?
Oh, God.
Shoot? Yeah!
Oh,
Yippee!
Oh God. Oh jeez. Okay, John. Calm down. Oh no, John.
It's another yippee.
John.
It's another yippee.
John. Look, John. Hold on. Look at me. Give me.
Yeah.
He's innocent, John. He's innocent.
But it's like yippee. Yeah, it's
I know, John. I
Better
understand,
not walk
John.
away with it.
He has a family, John. He has 2 kids, John. At this point, he killed both of them, but think about this, John. Oh, John. Okay.
Screw your yippee!
Kill the black man.
That plot is a lot faster than I remember.
Yeah, it's actually really okay. We can get the fuck out of here.
Screw your yippee! Screw you! No yippee!
Okay, yeah, we're eliminating everything in this place.
Yippee!
Yeah, we're exterminators at this point. All the bugs are dead.
Yippee!
You got me.
Susan?
Yeah, fuck you. Oh! Okay. I gotta go do this without you, John. I found your body. I'll just leave that there. How do we even get out? Oh, okay. That's a problem. Hey, buddy, how's it going? How the fuck do I get out of here? Alright, here's the plan. I'm gonna look behind me, and we play tag, alright? Yippee! Bang!
Yippee!
You wiped out an entire family. The whole lineage died.
The whole family tree. It's like different vowels for every name.
Yeah, yippee, yippee, yipow.
Yeah, hopefully that works. Really help.
I heard that.
Does he know? He doesn't know. He's still back there.
Alright. Where the fuck did you go? The things. The march.
Dude, I wish, like, this Spider-Man emote was just a normal game. Because how do you think your teammates would react when they see a figure upside down in a hallway?
That would be fucking terrible. You turn a corner and you just see a dude hanging. You're like, what the fuck? Oh, we got giants, John.
Yay.
We got the rumbling. You gotta at least survive one round, dude. Oh, I started to hear them.
Yeah, I
Oh
heard.
boy, we're. Oh. Wait, hold on.
Oh, shit! What did you do?
I'm trying to. Okay, you know how you can push people? That mod's still active.
So you pushed me, then you shot me, then my dead body
No.
triggered the mine.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not really good with gun safety, if you couldn't tell.
After that round, yeah.
And I got a bit of a trigger finger.
After that round, I definitely figured.
I hear a yippee.
Where is it? Where's the yippee? Where are you, bitch?
I have no idea. Oh God, Jesus, John, leave him alone. He's innocent.
Where's the yippee?
But, oh. See, I can't die as long as I don't move. You know.
Wait.
Oh my God! All the girls are gonna kill me. Bye bye. It looks like it works. What the fuck?
Matrix.
Matrix kick. Hold on. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, we got the rumbling. Like, quick first birthday. Finally, the hangover. Like, that's not. Yeah, this is funny.
Yay!
It never gets old.
Come on, just one yippee. just one yippee. That's all I need.
Yeah. One yippee and I'll quit. I'll be sober again.
I'll gain my sanity after one yippee. We're not a yippee.
Oh, okay. That's the wrong emote. Hold on.
Oh, that's your response to that.
Wait. Oh.
Oh wow. I think there's been like enough fun moments to do like a skit.
Yeah, no. Who would have guessed having infinite shotguns would be funny?
Infinite shotguns, a lot of lucky mods.
Yeah.
And also Brew Company.
Brew Company is just icing on the cake at this point.
Yeah.